Alright, let's do a card trick here. This is the most amazing thing. It's the easiest card trick in the world. You can do it with any deck of cards. Take a deck of cards and shuffle them. Alright, give them a good shuffle. Do a little snap shuffle here. Alright, do it again. Alright, and just for good measure, we'll give them a cut. Alright, so now they're all perfectly random. So I'm going to take one card and I'm going to turn it over. That's a 3. I'm going to count up to 13. So it's a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm going to eliminate it or turn it upside down. Alright, next card. It's a 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Cover those up. It's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Turn those over. That's a 10, 11, 12, 13. And that's an ace. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so now we have 3 piles, totally random, all different numbers of cards in the piles. I want you to pick 2 to eliminate. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's eliminate 1 and 4, okay? So 1 and 4, and we have 3 piles left. Now, you like those 3 piles in that order? You can switch them around. Let's put that one there, and maybe that one there, and that one there. You like that? You want to change them again? No? You want to leave them? Okay, we're going to leave them. All right? So now I'm going to spell out impossible. I-M-P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Okay, completely random. Put those cards away. All right, now I have 2 cards in the end. I have a 7 and an ace. That's an 8. So I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, put those away. Now I have 2 cards left in my hand. What's that number? How about a 2? I don't know how it happens. It happens. You try it yourself. It's an amazing trip. Hope you have a great day.